This video is about how to change the speed of a clip in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Put a clip on the timeline and select it with the right click. Choose Change Clip Speed. Less than 100% will cause the video to play back more slowly. A percentage greater than 100% will speed up the clip's playback. Change the value from 100% to another number. There are also circumstances, such as easing, where you actually want a gradual change in speed. This process is called speed ramping. To apply this effect, right-click on the clip and choose Retime Controls. Place the red playhead on the section of the clip you wish to start speed adjusting. Click the down arrow on the left, then choose Add Speed Point. Put the red playhead at the end of the section of the video you want to retime now. Repeat step 3. Next, left-click the isolated clip segment's down arrow and hover over. Choose the speed you want it to be at. Your clip speed has now been changed. You just need to make the ramping effect less sudden and to ease it. Right-click the video. Click Retime Curve. Click the curve dot icon for the retiming you wish to ease after selecting the dots on the line. The easing begins to apply when these two dots appear in the clip. Your clip speed has now been changed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to see more tutorials for DaVinci Resolve, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel.